Good. It's like a Irani chai.
Yes. This is the house. It has been a long time that we have been living in Hyderabad, but we never got the chance to go to the Charminar, the old city Hyderabad, and enjoy the amazing delicacies the area has to offer. My good friend Gitat was kind enough to join me, and we went to the old city to try some of the specialities of that area. And here are some of our recommendations. Do watch the video and let us know if you have any other recommendations. So Gitat, do you want to start from here?
I don't mind. Let's do it.
No, let's try something to loosen our stomachs. Then we will try something fried. We have a lot to try today.
And we'll also drink some tea.
Yes, obviously. So we are currently in the heart of Hyderabad. So this is actually the old city. These are very, very old buildings.
Wow. And you are a frequent traveler, so you might be knowing all these places.
No, I am not. I may have come 4 or 5 times here.
Okay.
But I have never, the surprising thing is that I have never tasted food here. I have come so many times, but
Okay.
I never got the opportunity to taste food.
See, now fate got you at the best time ever.
Yes, best time. I have never come during Ramadan.
Wow. And thanks, yeah, for getting me along.
We will get to know after the end of the day. If you will be thanking me tomorrow, then it's fine. And finally, here we are. There is the Char Minar. Girat bhai, after how many years have you come here?
2012, 2024, 12 years.
Oh my god. I don't think you will remember anything here.
Oh, yeah. Wow.
So it's a full-fledged market now for Ramadan. I'll try to avoid any faces coming here. And you can see the amount of things that are here.
Get lost.
Yes. This is what I was talking about. This is the famous simai.
Wow. We have this later, yeah?
Yes. And you will get amazing bangle shops here.
Bangles, yeah, I remember.
Yes. If you want to take bangles for Gunjan, you can.
Okay, I will take it. Wow. Come this side.
So this is the uncut version of Hyderabad Charminar Ramadan markets. And finally we have reached in front after a lot of adventure. You can see all the colorful shops here, people flocking around, and this is the beautiful Charminar. We are going to our first stop.
And which is the first shop?
We'll come to know in a bit.
Oh, no. Oh my god, I'm so excited. Adi.
You can get it from here. And we are almost here. And our first destination is Nimra Bakery.
This one, Nimra.
Yes, Nimra. Let's go.
Nimra में चाय मिलेगा मुझे।
Yes, yes, चाय मिलेगा, चाय मिलेगा and biscuit.
मजे आ
What do they call it?
Oh, yes, yes.
भैया ये चाय यहाँ पे ऑर्डर करना है अंदर.
भैया चाय यहाँ भी मिलेगा, अंदर भी मिलेगा।
हाँ.
वेटर रहता है, वेटर को सर्विस देता है।
हाँ.
ऑर्डर दिए तो लाके देता है।
अच्छा, ओके, ठीक है.
भाई आप तो
हाँ?
बट समझ में नहीं आ रहा है अंदर भीड़ होगा क्या?
नहीं, यहीं पे पी लेंगे
यहीं
ना.
पी लेंगे,
हाँ,
best है।
हाँ, हाँ, ठीक है. वेट करेंगे क्या यहाँ पे?
दोस्त आपको ऑर्डर दे दूँ?
खाली यहाँ चाय मिलता है।
अच्छा, बिस्किट नहीं मिलता
तो
यहाँ
चलो
पे.
अंदर।
अच्छा, बिस्किट वहाँ पे. ओके, तो चाय यहाँ पे मिलेगा एंड द ह्यूज. टेक जस्ट 4 उस्मानिया बिस्किट.
4 उस्मानिया बिस्किट्स?
हाँ. And this is the range of the Osmania biscuits that you can have here. You want to try bun maska?
No.
Okay. These are the amazing range of cakes and pastries that you can get here. And these are the freshly baked Osmania biscuits. This is the bread. These are the cookies. भैया चाय के लिए यहाँ पे क्या? भैया 2 चाय.
बहुत अच्छा है, बहुत अच्छा है।
भैया 2 चाय. हाँ, okay. We have now got the plate. So you have to come, pay here. They will give you tokens. Tokens you have to give there.
Okay.
The chai is being made inside.
भाई मजे आ रहे हैं टूरिस्टिक फील आ रहे हैं।
भैया ये कितना पुराना शॉप है?
93 का है।
1993. 1993.
33 years.
And here comes our tea. So let's
Here's
go.
our biscuit.
Yes, let's go outside. I'm taking.
Taking?
Yeah. Excuse me. Cheers. You
Cheers,
try.
Adi.
Yes.
It's like a Irani chai.
Yes. So this is our Osmania biscuit, very famous. This is our Irani
The
chai.
biscuit in the food community is complimenting.
Good starter. This is recommendation number 1. Come to Hyderabad Charminar, come to Nimra Cafe and have chai and Osmania biscuit.
biscuits. Cheers.
So we just had our first stop at the famous Nimra Cafe, and here is the Charminar. The beauty of this place is it's buzzing right now, and it's looking, and the light is also coming amazing, right? The light is also coming amazing, and we are now going to a second place, which is also a surprise for Gitat. So Gitat, let's go. Yes, Gitat bhai. So we are in our second spot actually. So this is the, I think this is Makkah Masjid bolte hain na isko, हाँ? Makkah Masjid, and yes, and of Hyderabad. And right in front of it, to the opposite, is Milan Juice Center. And it's a must if you
It's a
come
must?
here. Yes.
Let's try Milan juice.
And we are not here to drink juice.
Okay.
That's the best part.
So what
I'll show you why.
will you be drinking or eating?
Come.
Oh my god.
This is what we have come to eat.
मैंगो डिलाइट एक ये
What is this?
ये अच्छा रहता है
हाँ? क्या है ये?
छोटा बड़ा है।
हाँ? Fruit salad. So this is fruit salad.
ये छोटा ये बड़ा।
And then there's a mango version of it.
Okay.
And then there is, I am not seeing that one here exactly. हाँ, mulberry one. ये वाला.
मलबरी मलाई मटका स्पेशल
And you can start with this one.
Wow. But you
We
have to
can
open
hold this one. No, we will hold this one.
ठीक है? Looks yummy.
How is it?
Delicious.
Isn't it?
It's all fruity inside.
So this is the perfect refresher when you come here. Isn't it good? This is actually a surprise when you come here,
Okay.
because we come here to eat halim and biryani, but this is actually you can call it a sweet surprise.
It's
Isn't
really nice and not very sweet.
it? Dip in. Look at the kheer coming out.
This is really nice.
Very nice.
Hello?
Another recommendation when you come here, have this mulberry. I think I don't know what they call it actually. Something mulberry salad or something, mulberry faluda or something. But this is so good, so refreshing and so good. So next stop, Milan Juice Center. Gita also approves.
100%.
After the chai and the refreshment, we are now in our third spot, the not to miss Pista House Halim. This is where the Halim has been made, as you can see. And we finally have it, the much awaited. You please start, of Pista House.
Let's do it. This is my second time, really nice.
This is the legacy of the Pista House Halim. This right here is the best.
Can you taste of the ghee?
You can actually have the Halim as it is, like most people do, but you can also club it with a paratha.
Way better.
Isn't better, right? And this is, try to go for the tandoori paratha, not an oily one or a roti. This tastes amazing.
Chicken is also nice.
Food and all is fine when you come to visit the Charminar in Hyderabad, but one thing you should never miss out for the lady in your house is to buy bangles.
This is not bad. Multicolored. Gift is a gift.
You can take 2-3 options if you want. How much is it?
100.
100, huh? 100.
ले लेते हैं ना?
This is a nice one. हाँ.
थोड़ा सा यूनिक है
हाँ.
भैया ये दे दीजिए आपने पहले ये डिसाइड से लेकर मैंने ले लिया अब यूनिक बोल रहे हो हाँ
भैया को भैया जानते हैं लेडीज लोग आके कौन सा पसंद करते हैं, है ना? हाँ.
ट्रेंडिंग चल रहा है ना
And for the next spot, we are here at the Kebab-e-Jahangiri. I am actually absolutely full and I have no appetite anymore. I think I have had more than I should, but Gitat is trying to explore some kebabs, so let's see what he gets.
वो जीरो है क्या? डाइट डाइट को डाइट नहीं है तो थम्स अप एक गिवन। Interesting, yeah?
Who needs gas? There in front of Shadab, and in 2026 it's unfortunate to know there is no online payment and we were not carrying cash, so biryani plan is cancelled. We'll go find Patthar Ka Gosht and go back home. Let's go. And so that's it. That was our Charminar journey, but our food quest is still on.
Yes, we have one.
See what they're doing. They're making bangles.
Oh, okay.
So you can not only buy but also get customized bangles. So Gitat bhai, where are we finally?
We are finally है जिसका नाम I am hearing for the first time because of you. I'm very excited to try.
And this is भैया ये हैदराबादी स्पेशल है ना?
Special dish, Hyderabadi.
Food you don't want gas. गैस की जरूरत ही नहीं है.
गैस की जरूरत नहीं है.
जरूरत ही नहीं है. कोयले पे डालो, पत्थर डालो, उसके ऊपर पका लो.
Too good.
So good? Better than that one? Really?
It's not very chewy, juicy from inside.
Okay. This looks actually yummy. It's too hot. So good, भैया. दोनों फाइल रखो. भैया ये तो चिकन है ना?
हाँ ये चिकन है.
हैदराबाद स्पेशल पत्थर का गोश्त.
मजा आ रहा है, ऐसे ही मजा आ रहा है.
भैया ये पत्थर कौन सा पत्थर होता है?
पहाड़ का पत्थर है.
अच्छा पहाड़ का है, मार्बल वार्बल नहीं है, नॉर्मल पहाड़ का पत्थर है. उसके ऊपर कुछ करना पड़ता है क्या ऐसे ही?
हाँ करना पड़ता है ना.
क्या करना पड़ता है?
उसको लेके जाके पहले तपाना पड़ता है गरम में.
अच्छा.
हाँ तपाए तो पक के असलियत पे आ जाता है.
So if you are still tuned in, thank you so much for watching the whole video. It was really fun shooting the entire episode with my brother Gitarth. And if you have any recommendations of food in Hyderabad, we are both foodies and we would definitely love to go and explore it. So do let us know and let us know how did you like the video. Please do drop a comment. See you in the next video. Bye.